Set within secluded grounds of around 0.6 of an acre, West House is a 21st century luxury home of just under 5,000 square feet. The fabulous kitchen dining room is very much the hub of the house. From here, an open way leads to the sitting room and then further to the family room, with all of the living space enjoying a wonderful open aspect over the established grounds. There is an internal annex with guest sitting room, ensuite bedroom and kitchenette. And to the first floor are 4 bedroom suites, with the master having direct access to the wraparound roof balcony. There is extensive terracing from the principal rooms, providing a fantastic entertaining area. The grounds enjoy a southerly aspect and have been carefully landscaped with a variety of mature trees and shrubs. To the front, sliding electric gates give access to the driveway and double garage.